Hi guys, I am back. So anyways, I just want to show you guys how do I make my ringtones from these songs that are downloaded on my phone. And this is really easy for you guys to do. Doesn't cost you any money unless you pay for the song. But yeah, that's different. But I'm going to show you how do I kind of chop my favorite songs into ringtones. So yeah, I have the currently ringtone that I have is Drake, the Hotline Bling, and I know this video is gonna have some copyright issues because I'm gonna play it, but it's okay. So okay. So that is the ringtone that I set up for the moment right now. But I'm going to show you how do I kind of created my ringtone, if that makes sense. So stay tuned. Alright, so first things first, you want to go to your Google Play Store and download MP3 Cutter. That's the name of the app that I will be using, MP3 Cutter, okay? So that's the app that I'm going to use for this video. So we're going to click on it. Alright, so this is what it looks like. It says how to use, touch, and drag the start mark to set the starting point for the ringtone, and touch and drag the end mark to set the ending point for the ringtone. So that's what you basically have to do. So this is the start mark, and this is the end mark. So right now, the song is Blood. You know, some of y'all don't like alternative, but you know, I'm a see if I can find a different song. So here's the freaking ad. So let's see if I can find a song that I would like to edit. Okay, so we're going to click The Hills by The Weeknd. And it basically shows you the directions again. Okay, so let's play it so we can find the start mark. Okay, I wanted it to start right there. Okay, so you will just keep that on the yellow, but you can still play it. Okay, so we're gonna play it again. Okay, now I'm going to, I decided that I do not want my ringtone to start off with that verse. So I actually want it from the chorus. So we're going to wait until we get to the chorus. I think the chorus starts at around this mark. Yeah. Alright, so I wanted to stop right here. So we're going to click the save button. And that will be our ringtone for that, okay? So we're going to make it, oh crap, I clicked the wrong button. So you can change your ringtone to your ringtone settings, however you set your ringtone on your phone. And it's saved on there, so that's your ringtone. So this is really easy to do. And it's very simple. So I'll talk to you guys later, and bye.